Hi, welcome to Spatterns.net, where you discover stock patterns and get new trade ideas. What is Spattern? Spattern is a historical performance of a trade. Let's see some examples. The site has numerous trade ideas. Let's check the trade idea of the day. The question is, how did S&P 500 index perform after US elections? Did it usually drop down or did it usually go up? Let me explain to you the trade. The buy date was 1 day after the elections, and the sell date is 60 days after the elections. The trade success rate was an 82%. The trade was successful 82% of the times. It was positive 9 out of the 11 times during the last 11 elections, with an average of 2.56%, a maximum of 9.97%, and a minimum of negative 7.09%. Let's look at the details of this trade. We have the data for the last 11 elections starting from the year 1996. The elections were held on November the 5th, the buy date was November the 6th, and the sell date was January the 6th. This trade yielded a positive 2.7%. Let's look at the next example, the year 2008. The elections were held on November 4th, the buy date was November 5th, and the sell date was January 5th. This trade yielded a negative 2.68%. The S&P 500 dropped in the year 2000 and 2008 when the market crashed. For the rest of the years, the trade was positive. How will you use these insights for your next trade? Since it was a very consistent pattern, profitable 82% times, it is a strong signal. If the pattern repeats, then your probability of loss for the above trade is very low. If you have your own ideas, you can create patterns and check the historical performance of the trade. Let's go to Create Pattern. For example, let's check how has Apple performed in Q1. Let's check the horizon date as 2010, ending in the year 2017. Let's select the buy date as January 1st and the sell date as March 31st. Let's preview this pattern. As you can see, the above trade has been profitable 75% of the times, with an average of 10.58%, a maximum of 50.4% in the year 2012, and a minimum of negative 21% in the year 2013. You can see details of this trade as you scroll down. In conclusion, you can make your own patterns or explore new ideas. Or you can check out patterns published on the site. We publish patterns every day. Thank you and wish you happy trading.